Okay, so I gotta take my car down to Firestone. Hopefully they can fix my door. The door's dead. Latch stopped latching. The only way for me to get in now is through the passenger side. And if this door goes, I'm screwed. So. Hello, doing good. I had an appointment today for 10 o'clock, 2008 Mini Cooper. My car door doesn't want to open. Well, the driver's side. Yeah, I have to climb in through the passenger side to get in, so the latch stopped working. I think it's rusted out. Inside handle and outside. Yep, can't get out from that side and can't get in from that side, but the passenger side is fine. So. And I only have two doors, so if the other door goes, I'm screwed. So yeah. I'm probably gonna be walking the plaza for a while. All right, thank you. Alright, so they just took my car in. I'm in the center one right there. So like I said earlier, it's my door. My door's pretty much screwed. It's rusted out. The lock isn't latching, or the latch isn't latching. Can't get in from the outside on the driver's side and can't get out from the inside on the driver's side. The passenger side works. But like I said earlier, I only have two doors on my car, and if the other one goes, I'm screwed, so. I guess they gave up completely. They couldn't open it. You couldn't open it? Yeah, this is my car here, so I don't know. Sometimes you gotta work at it, but yeah, I think the closest dealer's up in Rochester. That's what I was thinking.
So I can't even pop the door panel off. It sits here, and I don't want to damage anything.
Right, unless you open it.
Yeah, unless I'm able to get it.
I might be able to get it working here. Sometimes you gotta. Yeah, it was rusted. Yeah.
Screws that hold it in.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right in a weird spot here. Yeah.
So.
All right. Well, I can try working it, and if I can get it open, I'll let you know. But if not, thank you.
Yeah, of course, my brother. He'll get you taken care of.
Yeah, I'll be right in there. See if I can wiggle this. All right, no problem. Thanks. He's checking to see if we have the parts. If not, we're gonna have to. I don't know if we're gonna have to order it or whatnot. I don't know when though. I have a busy schedule, so have the parts. It's a thumbs up from them, so that means that they have the parts to fix it, or what in the world? So he was able to at least kind of figure it out. I got to stop at Walmart to grab these things, the WD-40 and the white lithium grease. Just went over the door acts up. It's like a coating that should at least help with the door lock and all that. It's rusted out. They said that they'd recommend purchasing it from the dealership in Rochester, the Cooper dealership. Working on something. But knowing Cooper dealership, they'll probably end up wanting you to buy a new Cooper rather than fix this old girl up. Alright, so we're just at Walmart. So like I said earlier, I gotta pick up some WD-40 and then, what was the other one? White lithium grease. It's supposed to help with the coating of the rusted door mechanics inside. Hopefully it'll actually break it down the rust and actually work. If not, if it doesn't work, I'll have to call Firestone and let them order that part from the dealership, Cooper dealership in Rochester. It's gonna take like 2 weeks to get here, but $200 just for the part. That's not even counting labor pay. So hopefully this stuff that I'm getting at Walmart right now should last for a while. So that's just it too. So it works, but after you drive around, I guess it's like maybe the gears in the car while it's vibrating on the road or something. You can't open it. I can't even get out. I have to climb to the passenger side. So that's not gonna work. Oh, I'll get the stuff anyways. Alright, that one needed. Yeah, so just got back from Walmart and now the door can't open. So looks to me we're gonna have to order the piece. I did buy WD-40 and the white lithium grease, so should help, but can't do anything if you can't open the door. So I'll keep working at it, but I'm not gonna be here all day. I gotta say, I probably put more money into this Cooper than what it was actually worth. This Cooper, Mini Cooper here, was on Facebook Marketplace here in Horseheads for about $4,000, and it was a steal. That was $4,000 plus probably another $500 for registration, so it probably came up to like $5,000 overall. For a Cooper like this, for the first car, it's like, oh, that's a steal, because most Coopers anymore are like, what, 20 to 12 grand, 20 grand? I mean, that's real good ones. But I probably put so much into this car because we had the BCM module broke down. I mean, it's a convertible, but the piece up here doesn't want to, I don't know, it's loose. It broke. It's a convertible, but it broke. So I can't do anything with the convertible. I got to get that fixed too. It's rust is growing on the back of the car. This fella here doesn't want to close, so I had to put tape over it. For now, at least. Had to put magnets in to close it properly, but I'm going to have to re-glue the magnets back in because the magnets gave away. Now, this is a car that I take to work all the time. And now, recently, you know, I probably put so much into this car anyways. The engine is fine. Cooper itself is okay. It's just these small little details that we just need to get figured out. And right now, I got to figure out with the driver's side door. Yeah, driver's side door does not want to open from the inside or from the outside, and I have to climb in through the passenger side here to get into the driver's seat. And this Cooper only has 2 doors, so I'm pretty much screwed. If that door is done, that door is pretty much dead. If this other door dies on me, I'm screwed, because I only got 2 doors, and then the back, but the back is way too small. I can't even fit through the back. So I had to call in to get the appointment set up. Well, get that ordered at least. The gear on the inside of the driver's side door is all rusted. Going to have to get that part in. They're going to have to order the part in at the Cooper dealership up in Rochester. And knowing the Cooper dealership, it's probably going to take like 2 weeks to get here. Or if I do happen to drive there in person, it's like a 2-hour drive. But if I do happen to get there in person, they're probably going to want me to buy a Cooper rather than fix this one. So, and I don't have the cash. Oh, $200 for part, but that's not kind of labor pay. Weight lithium grease and the WD-40. For some odd reason, I actually needed ID for that one to check out. Must be whatever's in it. And then I'll just have to keep working at that door until next Friday, or maybe that Monday or that Wednesday. So, yeah. I was also looking at this. They said it as the left front door. I mean, yeah, it's a left door, but it's not the front door. It's the left only door, because I only got two doors in this car. So, all right. So we're at a Chinese restaurant right now. It's just me getting some lunch. Sesame chicken sounds good right now. Gonna take it home. Got some chopsticks. So, busy day today, that's for sure. Yeah, I didn't get breakfast at all, and it's 12 o'clock. So yeah, I'm starving. Alright, let's try out the Chinese food. So I got a fork, I got my chopsticks, and fortune cookie. That's a fortune cookie off to the side. Let's try out their sesame chicken. I don't remember how it works here. Got it! Ah, I had it! Okay, let's try. That is good. Alright, well, that'll be it for today's vlog. Got a big chunk on this one. Alright, let's see what the fortune cookie says. Pop it open here. There you go. Cookie. Come on. Ariel. Ariel? Look for people's strengths instead of weaknesses. Oh yeah, definitely, when you get a chance, try out the Mountain Dew Baja, what was it, Cabo Citrus, but I'm changing the word. It's Carbo Citrus. I'll have to try that out. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, I know it's pronounced Cabo Citrus, but, you know, come on. I'm going to Carbo. So definitely try out the Mountain Dew Baja Carbo Citrus when you have a chance. Pretty good. I'll see you guys later.